Hi everyone, and welcome to our video where we'll be comparing two of the best air fryers on the market, the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. We'll be evaluating these products in different categories, and at the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting product reviews. The GoWISE USA Air Fryer has 8 pre-programmed cooking functions, including fries, chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza, and it also comes with a recipe book for you to explore more options. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer has 6 functions, including air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, and it also features customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, etc. The GoWISE USA Air Fryer features rapid air technology, allowing you to experience your favorite food without extra calories. It also has a modern touchscreen design and a built-in alarm function to remind you to shake your ingredients in 5, 10, and 15-minute increments. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer has an even crisp technology that allows airflow for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. It also has a clear cook window and internal light to easily monitor cooking progress without opening the basket. The GoWISE USA Air Fryer is priced at $73, while the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is priced at $139. The GoWISE USA Air Fryer comes with a basket divider accessory, allowing you to cook 2 meals at once. It also has a wide temperature range from 180°F to 400°F and a timer for up to 30 minutes. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer requires little to no preheating time, and it has a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for creating gourmet meals. It also has non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray for easy cleanup. And that concludes our comparison video between the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. While both products have their own unique features, it ultimately depends on your personal kitchen needs and preferences. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.